The best dash cameras for 2024, onboard security. Greetings friends, let's dive into today's video as we unpack the absolute best 6 products and essential considerations before making your purchase. Want more info? Check the description for the latest pricing and additional details. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. If you're on a tight budget and need a wireless dashcam that works, then Garmin created the Dashcam Mini 2 with you in mind. This dashcam has a tiny size, and it fits behind your rearview mirror. It automatically records and saves videos when an incident occurs. This camera has a 140-degree lens, 1080p video recording capacity, and Garmin Clarity HDR optics. Hence, you can expect recordings with crisp details during the day and at night. If you speak English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, or Swedish, you can give specific instructions to this camera. You can tell it to start or stop audio recordings, save videos, take still pictures, and more. The Garmin can automatically upload recorded videos to a secure online vault via Wi-Fi. You can also view whatever your camera can see live from the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone. However, the live view and automatic video upload require a constant power supply and an active internet connection via Wi-Fi. Despite its small size and budget-friendly price, you can expect it to withstand the tests of time and harsh vehicle environments. You don't have to worry about direct sunlight and hot temperatures harming your dashcam. Nextbase IQ. The Nextbase IQ dash camera for automobiles employs proximity sensing spatial awareness and an AI system trained by customers, affording you the authority to preemptively respond to events and intercede through vocal commands or an audible alert. Acquire the support you require and forsake solitude in the face of peril with a dash camera that covers both front and rear perspectives. Simply articulate Initiate Witness Mode when besieged by a sense of jeopardy or unease while within your vehicle, and IQ will swiftly focus on the incident, relaying real-time footage to a trusted associate, enabling them to provide assistance. Uphold dominance through Guardian Mode, stipulating velocity and geographical constraints, and receive notifications if your vehicle transgresses these boundaries. Access the live streams from your dash camera's front and rear perspectives via the IQ application on your mobile device, engaging in communication with the current driver. Whether they're your offspring, the mechanic, or a valet, rest assured, the IQ has you encompassed. The Nextbase IQ car dash camera, equipped with front and rear video capabilities, can promptly dispatch emergency services if implicated in a collision and remains unresponsive. Critical information encompassing location and medical particulars is promptly conveyed to emergency responders, ensuring expeditious assistance. The RoadWatch AI possesses the ability to discern the velocities of surrounding vehicles in any IQ recording, fortifying your ability to substantiate your narrative. Vantrue E1. Neat and relatively compact, the Vantrue E1 is an attractive dashcam that's capable of recording 2.5K video at 30 FPS. It can also record full HD footage at a smoother 60 FPS for enhanced detail while you drive. Results in our review proved sharp night and day, with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light. Our testing also revealed that the optional polarizing filter usefully reduces dashboard reflections. The E1's magnetic mount works very well, but the lack of sideways adjustment does limit its use if you can't fit it centrally. If you can, you'll find that its 160-degree angle captures a wide view of what's ahead. A tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a preview when installing, but the smartphone app is the more useful way to tweak settings. You don't get the driver assistance systems or other dash cams, so it's up to you or your vehicle to spot speed cameras and potential collisions. That said, you still get Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity, and we like that Vantrue has focused on video quality over unnecessary extras. Thinkware X1000. Enhance your Thinkware U1000 X1000 dashcam's coverage with the Thinkware QHD rearview camera. This sleek, high-definition add-on seamlessly integrates with your existing dashcam setup, providing clear and detailed QHD resolution footage. The rearview camera expands your surveillance capabilities, ensuring comprehensive monitoring of both front and rear perspectives. It's equipped with cutting-edge technology, and the Thinkware QHD rearview camera features a wide-angle lens for maximum coverage, capturing crucial details in various driving scenarios. The advanced sensor ensures optimal performance in low-light conditions, delivering sharp and vivid imagery day or night. Installation is straightforward, and the discreet design seamlessly blends with your vehicle's aesthetics. With loop recording and impact detection, the rearview camera ensures continuous recording and automatically saves footage during critical events. Trust Thinkware to elevate your driving experience with the QHD rearview camera, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind on every journey. Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro features a high-quality front camera, and it has a rotatable rear-facing camera. The rear-facing camera lets you watch what happens inside the car and through the windows. This is quite helpful because accidents can happen from any side of the car. The front camera also has an automatic HDR video system. It constantly adjusts for a clear and well-balanced view. The rear camera also has 4 infrared LED lights that greatly enhance the dashcam's night vision. The Vantrue N2 Pro has also come with voice recordings. If you don't want this option, you can easily mute or unmute the audio ability. You also have the option of a GPS tracker. To use this, you need to buy a separate component for your Vantrue N2 Pro. This camera also comes with a parking mode that can be active for 24 hours a day. Parking mode is triggered by motion and will activate all of its cameras. The seamless loop recording system captures footage at 1080p, and the camera's 24-hour parking monitoring system detects motion and locks footage automatically. This is the best dash cam with a wide view, thanks to its unique combination of security features and angle of coverage. Ring Car Cam. With Ring cameras already dominating camera home security, their move into car cameras was not only expected, but also highly anticipated. Featuring a dual-facing HD camera for both inside and outside the vehicle, the camera detects motion and sends real-time alerts to your phone. The video quality is rather excellent, and the sound quality is impressive. It even connects to Alexa, so of course it offers voice control. As for features, the Ring is distinct from the competition in that you can view and interact with the people inside the vehicle's cabin. While this feature has its benefits, there are plenty of reasons we can imagine a driver giving grief over being viewed. You've been warned. You must pay for a subscription to unlock certain remote features, but Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, a sleek profile, and a 1080p recording resolution are all points in its favor. One standout feature is it gives you the ability to remotely speak with whoever's in the car. It's pricey, but the Ring Car Cam's cost might seem more palatable if auto insurance claims are something you deal with often. Both parents and app-based drivers should appreciate the insights of the interior camera, while the voice-activated traffic stop feature gives you an extra layer of protection if a cop pulls you over or someone tries to force their way into your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.